Today we have some women's clubs. We have a Strata women's 5-wood Fairway club and the women's driver. I believe it's 13 degrees loft. We have a Callaway Paradym X stiff shaft driver with a 5-gram weight in the back. We have our brand new AI Smoke Max 9 degree. Setting is all the way on draw with the new Newton 5-dot stiff shaft. As this is my first attempt with locating, the proper stiffness in driver head and club head for myself, go ahead and leave some comments on how I can improve next time if I were to do this in a week with some other women's clubs and some maybe old men's clubs that I find, or other suggestions on how I can improve as an individual golfer. I love to tinker, as you guys can tell. But yeah, let me know down in the comments what I could do to make this better for myself and for everyone else. Have a great day.
That's the first thing. You should be able to see where you hit the ground. So you put the club down. You hit the ball like right here. The ground right there. I didn't say you didn't hit bad, but you did hit ground. I'm just saying, you did hit ground. So vibration, it will. Yes, so here's the place. So